Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, GlamBySam. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today is of course Valentine's Day, and I thought what better day to review the Natasha Denona Love palette than on Valentine's Day. So this is the Natasha Denona Midi Love palette. So this is the bigger size that released last year for Valentine's Day. This year she actually released a mini Love palette, which is also so adorable and I really wanted, but I don't need it because now I have this one. So the reason why I decided to go for this one is because I was never really into Natasha Denona. I kind of like didn't get the hype. But then I tried the mini retro palette and I really like it, so I really wanted to try one of her bigger palettes. And of course, pink eyeshadow is my favorite color story. So I believe it is discontinued from a lot of places because I couldn't really find it on a lot of websites, but Beautylish had it, so it arrived yesterday in this super pretty Natasha Denona themed packaging. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It's also pretty metallic, but the pink is a bit lighter, but I really like the color of this palette. I think it is so cute. And then in the back it just has a lot of holes because the pens are actually magnetic and you can take them out and put them in a different palette if you want. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. You just have a really big mirror and then these are the colors. I'm pretty sure if you are into Natasha Denona, then you have seen this a lot of times, so it's probably not a surprise since it's already released a year ago, but I thought I really wanted to do a video on this and sort of like try it out on camera because I just think it is so gorgeous. So let's just start with creating the eye look and see if these actually perform well. The first thing I'm going to do is take this PC10 from Peaches and Cream and take this shade right here, the light pink, which is called Valentine, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. And this looks like a really pretty light pink. And this is actually a really pretty beige shade. So then this slightly darker shade here, which is called Intense, and I'm going to put that in my crease with that same brush. Just stepping off some excess. This is a really pretty shade. This is super pretty. I hope you're able to see this. And since I have hooded eyes, what I'm going to do is actually place this a little bit above the crease so that when I look straight into the camera, you're actually able to see my eye look and it doesn't disappear. And this is my go-to blending brush. I really like this. I think I like how this is looking right now. And I'm actually going to be taking a brush that is a little bit more flat, and I'm going to be taking the shade called Heartbeat, which is this one right there, and I'm just going to tap this on my brush, tap off some excess, and then I'm just going to tap this on the outer corner like this and kind of place it in a diagonal line like this, and then I'm also doing the same on the other eye. And then with that same brush, I'm going to bring this into the middle part of the eye. And then using this small blending brush from BH Cosmetics, I am just going to very lightly blend that together. So then I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is called Soul, and what I'm going to do is just slightly bring this to the lower lash line. Also bring this in the crease a little bit. Then to slightly deepen everything up, I'm going to repeat what I just did with the Heartbeat shade. So I'm taking this flat brush again and then just placing it again here since we kind of blended everything out. And I kind of want some depth back into the eye look. and then just blending that out again. These shades blend really nicely, and I heard people say that they find this eyeshadow palette a bit patchy, but to be honest, I haven't experienced that at all. I find the shades to be really smooth and easy to blend, and I just love these type of colors on the eye. So I think I'm happy with how that is looking right now. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to be taking a little bit of my Pillowies eyeshadow base, and I'm going to be using this brush from Morphe, which is the M178 brush, and the Pillowies base is in shade 2. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. Then I'm taking a little bit of that shade on my brush, and I'm going to be placing this on the parts where I want the shimmer to go. So I'm also bringing this slightly above the crease. I'm not going to create like a full cut crease. I'm just going to sort of give the illusion that my eye is a little bit bigger than it actually is by just placing this right here, just like we have right here, and then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye as well. So I like how that is looking right now, so now I'm just going to apply some shimmer on top of that. This one right here, which is called Giving. So I'm sorry if it's hard to see, but it's kind of like difficult to show with my studio light right there. I'm just going to take my finger and then I'm just going to place this on the base that we just put on there. So now for the outer corners, I am going to be taking this shade, which is called Passion, and I'm just going to place that at the outer corners of the eyelids to kind of blend this together. And then now I'm just going to apply some mascara, and then I'll be back with you for my final thoughts on this Natasha Denona Love palette. Okay guys, so then this is how the look turned out. I really love how this is looking. So overall, I'm really excited about this palette. I think the color story is absolutely gorgeous. I'm already super inspired to create other looks with this. And I think this will definitely become my favorite, or one of my favorite palettes, because I just know I'm going to love this. I really like how the colors blended. I thought they all went on the eyelid so smoothly. They blended out really smooth, and these shimmers that we tried today are absolutely gorgeous as well. So I did quickly want to say that if you did enjoy this video, then I would absolutely love it if you gave it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of my videos. All of these things would help me so much with my channel, and I'd really appreciate it. But with that said, I want to thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!